naging pare, no? Alden, how do you keep up? How do you do it?
Ay, madali lang naman po kasi once you get the hang of it, I mean, being busy and doing a lot in your field. As long as you make people happy and you love what you do, parang that's my motivation po.
Pero where do you get the energy? Alam ko kasi yung ano mo, nag-gym ka eh.
Yes.
Pala, nag-gym ka para yung endorphins, di ba?
Yes, oh, happy cells, happy hormones po.
Yes.
Well, of course, what keeps me going naman is, what keeps me inspired is, of course, my supporters, miss na event, tapos, yung motivation, you know, to do the things that you love and at the same time make people happy at the same time, yun po yung nagagawa ko sa Itbulaga.
Ano nagagawa kasi nun eh, di ba?
Yes, parang you uplift spirits and make people's lives better every day. You know, just if they see you on screen, you know, magbigay ka ng konting laughter with them, konting kilig with them. Big deal na yun po para sa
kanila. Kasama na ako doon eh, yung pinapasaya mo sa laughter and killing.
Yes po.
Pero yung ano, prayer. You're very prayerful.
Number one, of course, that's the first and last thing I do every day. And I never forget because lahat naman po to, including me being part of Yale, is a blessing from our God. So,
and speaking of Yale, na-mention mo na rin yung Yale.
Yes, yes po.
Sa dami syempre naman endorsements mo, di ba? Daming offers pa dyan. What makes Yale stand out from the rest of your endorsements?
Well, number one po, since Yale is the number one lock and the world's most favorite lock in the whole world, hindi lang dito sa Philippines. Safety po kasi and security of my family is number one for me. So, and kumbaga, it's an honor to be part of Yale since this is the first time that they got a celebrity endorser. Opo, so nakakatuwa po and I'm very much honored and I'm so happy to be part of Yale. And I have the fascination po kasi for Lux. Alam ni Miss Chris yan, we were shooting.
Before you talk about the fascination sa Lux, kasi di ba parang hindi siya standard endorsements o hindi siya common endorsement yung lock, di ba? Pagdating sa mga pagiging high-tech na mga lock like biometric security.
Exactly.
Di ba? Yun yung sasabihin mo, di ba?
Yes.
What about this biometric security? Ito ba isa sa mga features ng Yale na talaga na-attract ka kaya ginusto mong endorse?
Sobra po. Hinihintay ko na nga lang yung eye recognition eh. Pero eye recognition and face recognition pero hindi malabong mangyari yan.
Wala Iron Man ano?
Yes, since yung Yale po kasi what I noticed about it, I know when I was growing up, like you, Christine, since you told them na you used Yale as a lock for your diary. Ako naman po, growing up, yun na po talaga yung nakikita ko eh, yung padlocks ng Yale. We use it usually sa gates, padlocks and the doorknobs.
Yes.
Kumbaga, if you ask me or if you ask anyone, they'll answer the same answer. Kumbaga, wala silang ibang alam na brand kundi Yale.
If you ask anybody, may iba pa bang brand?
Parang wala na po talaga.
Yale lang, diba?
Yale lang. That's a default. And what I like about the brand as well is they keep up with
modern
times. So,
kaya meron ganon, biometric solution.
Biometrics, I actually have it in my room. Yes.
In your room?
In my room, yeah.
Alright.
Yung kwarto ko is, ano nga yung ano ko doon, Miss Chris? Yung ano ko
yung
po?
Type, yung model?
Yung type po, Miss Chris.
Yung model na nasa room ni Alden.
Ano po yung lock ko sa room?
Password.
Yung may 4109. Kumbaga, that's a fingerprint recognition lock. And at the same time, meron kung hindi gumagana yung fingerprint, you can input the security.
Security.
And then there's also a manual lock. May
just
key din po siya.
Just in case may brownout o nabusan ng battery.
Sobra.
Ang hirap yan, hindi ka pa na pwede basta kumatok sa kwarto mo.
Yes, and at the same time po, Bluetooth operated din siya. Pwede sa phone.
Alright.
Yes.
Galing, iba. Iba talaga ang Yale. Ito na, yun ang direct experience mo, di ba?
Yes
so
po.
You have the digital or biometric lock sa mismo kwarto mo. What about other parts of your home? Lahat yung digital.
My room and the main door downstairs po. And I actually purchased po recently lang para naman dun po sa gate. Kasi since it's a keyless entry na po eh. Kumbaga, what Yale has in store for all the brand customers is wireless access. Kumbaga, mostly, you are the key. Ikaw na yung susi ng bahay mo. So that's what I like about the brand. It's very high-tech.
And malay mo, because they continue to innovate, yan yung Yale, di ba? Baka nga someday yung wish mo mag-grant. Mata na! Or voice.
Grabe, or voice.
Voice recognition.
Grabe.
Di ba? So napag-usapan na natin, Alden, yung application ng lock sa personal life mo, di ba?
Yes po.
Ito na, you said kanina that you're truly honored to be the very first local celebrity endorser. Di ba? So, oo. So yung in-approach ka nila, hindi ka nagdalawang isip.
I know.
How was it?
No. Kumbaga, of course, it's another blessing, considered another blessing. I never say no to any brands who approach us for us to endorse the brand. And kumbaga, what added to that is it's the first time they're getting a celebrity to
Is it a celebrity worldwide or local lang? Worldwide, ever? Yes, Daisy? Locally, siya ang first. Oh.
Yes. So
That's what, internationally, globally, ikaw lang talaga. Ang galing. Imagine, because now of your star power. So what is the importance, Alden, of star power when it comes to, endorsing and talking about this brand to other people?
It's basically being an endorser kasi. I usually say this a lot whenever I'm interviewed about being an endorser of a certain brand. Now, it's hard to endorse a brand that you don't use and you you haven't experienced yet. So, ako po talaga, since growing up, I grew up in Yale. I have a basic knowledge on how it works, and it's by heart, hindi siya scripted. Kasi parang ngayon, when a lot of people are endorsers or celebrities are endorsers, sometimes kasi the brand isn't really the one that they use. There's no knowledge, common knowledge, or wala silang background about what they're endorsing.
Yeah.
So that's also one of the things that I like about this endorsement.
So you walk the talk.
Yes, we walk the talk po.
Diba? Yun. Kaya huwag kayo mag-teter or kaya mag-teter
Yes.
na pumasok sa bahay natin unless kasama niyo siya.
Yes, kasi parang
siyang susi.
3 times yata ng error of unlocking it will automatically set an alarm.
Oh, may alarm.
So, susugod na po yung mga aso ko nun.
Wow, yun na. Ayan na sila lahat yung mga aso. Malalaki na.
Malaki na po.
Oh, yan na. Ito, katuwaan naman tayo.
Ay, sure.
Kailangan natin pumunta sa ating bar.
Sige, tayo tayo ng palayo.
Baka kumikilig tayo eh.
Yes.
Inom muna tayo, baka kailangan nito ng tubig. Katuwaan tayo with Alden Richards. Ready na ba kayo? Yeah! Ready na sila.
Grabe si Risa, Sana naman.
Alam nyo, tulad yung miss na miss ko ng Kalye serye. Hit na hit yan, di ba?
Yes.
Hit mo na ka. Sana magka-book to, no? Oo.
Opo, sana po.
Wish ko yan.
Hopefully coming soon po.
Coming soon! Yes! Hopefully. Ito na. Kasi doon sa Kalye serye, nandiyan yung isa sa mga, or marami, sa mga pinaka-nakakatawa at saka memorable na character. So, dito na tayo din.
Yes po.
Kaya kung bibigyan ka ng Asa Abel o ng Yale, ng mga Yale locks, ay sumisilip. No cheating. Ayan.
Yes po.
No cheating. Kung bibigyan ka ng Asa Abloy ng mga locks, eto na, which Yale lock ang ibibigay mo sa mga taong ito? Let's start with Lola Tidora. Yan. Ano ang bibigay mo sa kanya?
Siguro,
Please back.
give her po the TSA Traveler lock.
Yun.
Kasi may mag-travel yan si Lola Tidora sa di ba? Massachusetts, Philippines, Massachusetts. So, babalik lang yan recently. So, yun, mahilig mag-travel to si Lola Tidora. Travel lock po.
Okay yan. Meron ba rin yan, finger recognition din naman. Yung traditional.
Traditional, opo.
Okay. Next photo, Kalye serye characters na well-loved ay
ito si Lola.
Si Lola Tinidora. Nasa kanyang mansyon.
Opo.
So anong lock ang bibigay mo kay Lola Tinidora?
Siguro po yung Yale Digital Lock. Kasi para sa bahay, it's for security yan.
Tama.
Yan, opo.
Siguraduhin lang, kasi di ba finger?
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng pasmado.
Hindi po pwede. Kasi pagbasa po yung kamay, tapos hindi po ma-recognize.
Pwede ba yung pasmado? Okay, next. Lola! Siyempre pa, dito. Ayan ang diary.
Ayan ang diary.
Meron pala kami something in common dito.
Yes, mahilig siya sa diary. Tsaka, siguro parang niya kailangan bit lagi yung diary niya. Sa siya? Yale Digital Safe naman.
Wow! Oo nga.
Diba? Mga hindi na siya nananakaw ng diary. Ang hilig-hilig kasing dalhin eh.
Lagay na lang yun dyan.
Ayun ako, lagay na lang po dyan. Kasi also, this digital safe also features biometric system po no?
Meron din?
Meron po. Meron din po ako niyan actually at home.
Oo, ilan ang ganyan mo?
2 po.
Nasaan?
One sa room and then one
Nasaan
secret.
Inalakan
I think kasi,
alam ko na kung saan yung safe mo.
before they reach the safe, dadaan muna sila sa front door, tapos sa room ng door ng room ko, then tsaka nila makukuha. So,
paano mo tumahan sa bintana?
Lagyan mo na ng pagkakaroon na rin po yan.
Lagyan mo na ng pantak yung bintana ni Alden.
Yes.
And lastly,
ayos na.
yan, pa-baby waiting kahapon.
Yes, so happy anniversary. Anong lock?
Anong lock ang bibigay mo sa kanya?
Siyempre, yung kaka-release lang natin na novelty lock na yung heart shape po, with missing.
Yun o! Yan!
Yan.
Alam mo, nakakainis yan, Alden. Lagi out of stock. Lagi out of stock. So, ano nangyari? Pumili muna ako ng kulay pink.
Yes po.
Pero ngayon, magkakaroon na ulit ng stocks, di ba? Ulitin. Oh, magkakaroon na.
Alright po. Yes.
Yan ang ibibigay mo.
Heart-shaped novelty
Kaya
lock po.
yan, the heart-shaped novelty lock. I heard, sobrang mabili, Alden. Hindi nila ina-expect na mauubos ng gano'n sa mga shelf. Di ba mga dealers? Tama? Oh, kaya sobrang talaga. Anything you touch, then anything you endorse, Midas touch. Yes, Chris? Sa Singapore.
Wow.
Ordering pa from Singapore.
By bulk po. Wow, thank you so much.
Galing ah.
Opo.
May pirma din ni Alden. Pipirma ka.
Meron po. Meron na po siya
Original
actually.
pirma?
Yes po.
Kala ko ano lang yun sa machine eh.
Yes.
Ang bongga. Ito na. Next sa ating katuwaan,